How to turn AI text to human using WriteSonic Humanizer. I have in here a text, and when I actually put that on an AI detector, it has been detected as written by AI. So what we can do is we can head over right here to WriteSonic and then just choose anything that you want. You can also choose View All right here. And then in here, you can click on this Humanizer on your left sidebar. Now you can paste your text right here. And then for this one, let's click on this Humanize. Now in here, this will humanize your text. So just wait for a little bit until it actually humanizes it. So we have this right here. So let's head over and then copy this right here. Once it's been copied, let's paste it onto our AI detector. Let's first reload this right here in order to make a new batch. Now, once the IA detector has been actually reloaded, we should be able to paste in here our text and then click on this check for AI. And then this will check this for AI. As you can see right here, it is now key on the 100% human. So on some cases, it will be undetected on some AI detectors, but it will actually be good and doable as now. So that's how you turn AI text to human using WriteSonic Humanizer. Hope we helped.